Hi, welcome to HDK Diviners Tarot again. Today we are going to see how 2022 is going to treat Pisces. Let's start first with Pisces, moon sign. Here, beginning of 2022, mid, second half of 2022. Two of Raphael, which says that there'll be love around and one-to-one communication will be so strong that you'll feel that you know each other perfectly well and you are made for each other. The second card which has come is Justice, and it says that Pisces will fight for justice and equality. And Piscean as it is, they are all for equality between men and women and all for equality between all the religions, and justice will be in their favor. Piscean will be happy. Archangel Raquel says justice will be served. Mid of 2022 shows Six of Ariel, which says that you'll have plenty of money, all the resources will be available to you, and you'll do justice with the resources. You won't overuse them, and magic will happen in your life, and you'll meet good people and having the same energy as you with love and devotion. And second half of says Ace of Gabriel and King of Michael. King of Michael says that you'll be respected. Ace of Gabriel says new beginnings, new idea which will fructify very fast, and it will be lucrative and you'll earn a lot, and opportunity will be financial, artistic, and of course a sense of wonderment will be there where you'll feel that everything is falling in place. King of Michael again says justice will be done and honest and open communication will take place. So, overall, for Pisces, moon sign people, this year is going to be very good and they'll be happy where they are. That's all for Pisces moon sign. Let's see about Pisces sun sign now. How 2022 is going to be for Pisces sun sign. First half of 2022, mid of 2022, and second half of 2022. First half is full of magic, where something which you have needed so much in the earlier times will magically appear in front of you. All your magic wands will work. You'll be at top of the world, but you'll remember something bad which has happened in the past, and now that wound has almost healed, but thinking about that wound will hurt you and you'll have to just ignore it. Pisces are so emotional people, so for them to ignore any emotional wound is very difficult. But time will heal every wound, so do not think about the bad things which have happened earlier, but now look towards the future. In the new, think of the new beginnings, and mid of 2022 says Seven of Raphael. It says beautiful surroundings will be there, but you have to make a decision for yourself and you have to be concentrating on one portion, there'll be so many choices for you which you'll find very lucrative, but you have to concentrate on one thing and you have to make a deliberate choice, a wise choice. So many people will be offering you different ideas, but you have to see which is feasible for you and which you can do properly. But beautiful ideas will be presented to you. And again, second half of 2022 brings two cards, that is King of Michael and Knight of Ariel. King of Michael again is justice to be served, where you'll be wise, where you'll use your intellect rather than your emotions, which is very good thing for Pisceans. And Knight of Ariel says magical appearance of funds when they are needed, and you'll start something new, a business, a job, and which will be so paying for you. Eventually you'll be very happy, and if you want to marry someone, now is the right time to think, to feel, and eventually get married. So 2022, only one thing is there, that they have to ignore the past wounds. Otherwise 2022 is going to be good for Piscean sun sign people, and it will be overall good. Now let's see what 2022 going to bring for Pisces ascendant people. First half of 2022, mid and second half of 2022. It's bringing Seven of Ariel, which says that whatever you have been doing in 2021 is starting to pay now. You will be earning more than what you had been earning earlier, and your progress you'll be reviewing, and you will be thinking of expanding your prospects and going to some other country and expanding there also. Second card for the beginning is the Emperor. You will become stable and you will become more efficient, and whatever plans you have made for yourself will materialize now. Beginning of the 2022 is going to be very good for you, where you'll be in charge of the situation. People will treat you with respect and everything will be hunky dory. Mid of 2022 is whatever you have been doing till now, a better option is still waiting for you, and you might start a spiritual quest where you won't care for all the energy you have gained in the materialistic world, but you will try to find something in the higher realm of the world, and you'll start meditating, and you'll go into some spiritual program too. Second half of 2022 is all about winning love, winning old friendships and nurturing old friendships, and be the winner of the situation, where you had been going for the spiritual quest in the mid of 2022. The second half sees you meeting old friends, rekindling old friendships, and you'll get childlike innocence by meditating. And in the materialistic sense also, you'll be the winner, as Six of Gabriel has come with your work, with your ideas, and with your job which you have been doing wonderfully since the beginning of 2022. It will all materialize, and your name will be in the sky, and you'll be on top of the world at the end of the 2022 year. So for Pisces Ascendant, it's going to be a wonderful, wonderful year. And thank you for watching. Keep divining.